Suddenly, it's late spring, every moment counts. If there really is a heaven in this world, he should walk in like a library.
The western top detects invisibility. No need to check in or out at the library, making the experience better.
At the library, if you have questions or any needs, you can get a prompt response from staff in the integrated service area.
Here you can find a book in the library and locate it exactly.
Within the reading section, you can travel to see of books on your own. Books, affectionate like old friends. In both morning and evening, you cherish being near each other. You can also look for the most sought-after books in the popular book section.
Grabbing books here can also be very civilized or gentlemanly.
The library also has a place to speak loudly.
First of all, our library is a comprehensive place, and we can read more than just here. Yes, I think we can still study in groups and in groups at school.
It's the library, reading, right next to us. Also ask,
what is the concept of promoting reading in schools this time? Let's choose our slogan. Next, let's assign tasks. Okay, I'm coming.
We have our feet on the straight earth and the cheese firmament on our heads. Let your most beautiful youth walk with knowledge and wisdom.
Keep pace with the times.
We read here, learn here, and think here.
We look into the infinite distance here. We are here to discuss, communicate here, and grow here. Over here.
The richer the words, the fuller the thoughts are. Here, the library is as big as the heart is.
Classmates, I look forward to seeing you in the library.